Do you know? The reason we sneeze is because of the irritation in respiratory epithelium, lining of the nose. It is a process of removing dust particles from nose. And now the main thing. Do you know? A single sneeze, which frequently occurs when you have fever, travels 100 miles per hour and shoots 100,000 germs, or you can say bacteria, in air. Therefore it is advisable to keep your hand on mouth or wear a mask.